what's in the box. It's so heavy. And if you checked in our last video, we suggested what's in the box for games. And now we get to try it for us. So, whoa, what is this? This is a spinny wajig. Wait, there's this. Oh my gosh, what is that? So we got everything out. It came with some scorecards and how to play it. And also there's a cool thing about this. It has a timer when you just set it. And then you can hear it ding. So that's how much time you have to guess what's in the box. Right here, there's a door and you could open it. It's like a big house. And we could have made it by ourselves, but it came with a timer, so that's cool. And it came with scorecards that you don't always get. I guess you love playing with that timer though. I like the dinging sound. But now, since we got what's in the box, we're not only going to show you guys what it is, but we're also going to try some stuff out. There's a hand coming out of the box. Ew, what is this? I'm going to roll on my sleeve because she said ew! I know what it is. I think I know. It's beef. It's chicken claws. It's chicken claws. Yeah, that's okay. You ready to check? Okay, turn it around and knew it, chicken claws. Knew it. I'm scared. I'm rolling out my sleeves. Yeah, me too. The first one we had to wash our hands, so I hope this one we don't have to wash our hands. Hope it's not food. Ew! It's what is that? It's mango. It's mango. I feel the seed. It's mango. It's baby mango. Turn around the box. Ew, it still smells like chicken. Right now we are both 2. We got 2 points each. Let's see if we could do this one. I'm scared. Ah! Wait, it's not gooey. I think it's a pineapple. Pineapple! It's a pineapple! Yeah, it's a pineapple. I can feel it. Yep, that's a pineapple. Yep, that's a pineapple. That's my guess. And we're not going to use a timer because it's really loud and annoying. And you guys might not hear us. But it's so fun. Time for the reveal. Ugh. Oh man. The pineapple couldn't fit. I can't wait to have pineapple, but it's not yellow yet. Yeah. It's still green. And it's really heavy. I don't want it to be something goopy. It's noodles! It's noodles. No. What is it? I don't know. Mushrooms, I would say. Ew, mushrooms. What is this? Oh, it's mushrooms. Knew it. Boom. Yeah. Okay, some kind of jello or something? This feels... Okay, this is a tough one, but I will go with... What is this? Lychee. That's my guess. No, but lychee can't be so small. It's not so small. And it's usually not... It's usually sticky. This is goopy. This is hard. What is this? Grapes? No. Okay, this round, it's taking longer than I thought. I would get some jello or something. I smushed one. I must say, grapes with no skin on it. So we give up. Let's see. It is blueberries. Now what is this? rambutan.
Rambutan.
It's rambutan.
Rambutan.
It's this fruit that's like dragon.
I'm going with one.
It's like a sea urchin.
It's rambutan. Yes.
I knew it. Yeah, now we can eat it. Okay.
Rambutan is very sweet.
Let's go for our next one. It's kind of like lychee too, but the outside is hairy.
Yeah.
Hairy. Hairy. What's next?
Okay.
I don't want to
It's dragon fruit.
Yes, dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
This is
Okay.
easy. It is
Dragon
fruit.
I always know the texture.
So far, nothing has been too goopy.
It smells.
I could smell something. This would be, I don't know.
What is this? Just feel.
Rice balls.
No.
No, I know what this is. It's a pastry, but I don't know the name. It's this thing that's sesame, and then it's deep fry, and inside it's fluffy. But I don't know the name. But I'm not sure if I still could get the point.
I'm gonna follow you.
Well, you always copy my idea, but okay. Yep, sesame seeds. And I knew it! These thingamabobs. Okay, I just found out what the name is. Now it's sesame bobs. But I think I still could get the point. So let's go for our next item.
I think I know the smell.
This is
Squid.
from dim sum.
Yeah. Yup.
It's not yuck. Oh my gosh, she likes it, doesn't she? But I'm gonna come back and wash my hands.
Yummy. Smells. Yep. I think it's a bun or something.
To me, it smells like fish. In the last video, we got some Japanese snacks. It kind of smells like it. Okay, Victoria. Are you ready to say the final answer?
Okay.
Don't tell me. 1, 2, 3. Fish.
Dry fish.
Okay, I'm not sure. Let's see what it is. Knew it! It's fish. Ooh, I'm good
I
at
said
this.
fish.
They're very small. I'm dead. Very spooky Halloween.
Ew.
Yuck.
Blech.
Dry fish.
So
I'm
dry
never
I
gonna
can
eat
even hear
this.
it quack.
You guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And we hope you have a spectacular Halloween. Bye!
The winner is Valerie.
Yes, I want on the mushrooms.